Pure Guarantee Issue Life Insurance. Here's a great solution for anyone who can't qualify for standard life insurance. No health questions, no physical examinations, no delays. It's quick and it's easy. The issue ages are ages 40 to age 80. It pays up to $25,000 in face amount. It has immediate coverage for accidental death. It only has a 2-year modified period for death by natural causes. During this 2 years, if there should be a death by natural causes, it would return back to the beneficiary or estate 120% of all premiums paid. It has the same premium whether you're a smoker or a non-smoker. Rates never increase, it bills cash values, and is underwritten by an excellent AM Best rated carrier. It's not approved in all states, but a list of approved states are located here on the webpage. But for more details, more information, give us a call or email us. Our Pure Guarantee Issue Life Insurance.